is for punishment, actions we must face. In life's cause and effect we all find our place. When deeds are done without a thought, consequences come, lessons taught, understanding the impact of our ways guides us to better, brighter days. In every action a ripple we create. With kindness or harm we set our fate. Learning from missteps we grow and change. In the balance of life we rearrange. Through thoughtful deeds we build our way. Avoiding harm in light we stay. Cause and effect, a lesson profound. In every choice our lives are bound. P is for punishment, actions define the path that we walk, the future we find. With wisdom and care we strive to be kind. For every effect a cause intertwined.